Hello, thank you for joining me for day number 90 of 365 Days of Public Speaking. My name is Lionel Yamenti. Today I'd like to speak to you about 3 attributes of an ethical public speaker. An ethical public speaker is a speaker who performs consistently with agreed principles of correct moral conduct. The key words here are principles, correct moral conduct. Practically everything in the definition. Now, what does an ethical public speaker, how does he behave? What are the attributes? What makes him different from unethical speakers? An ethical speaker, an ethical public speaker, is a speaker who is honest, who has integrity, and who is respectful. What do I mean by a speaker who is honest? A speaker who is honest is someone who does not lie. As simple as that. When you get on the stage to share your message or tell your story or do whatever you are there to do, tell the truth, don't lie. A lot of speakers lie because they make up things that they've not taken their time to check or reference or do their homework thoroughly. Don't lie. I have to admit, or I have to confess, that I've been guilty of this a few times when I've been on stage and I said things that maybe I forgot and I didn't have the time to cross-check my facts and my data, and I said things that were basically not true, and some members of the audience got up to me and they brought it to my attention after the presentation. Be honest. If you don't know something, admit that you don't know. If you know something and you're not sure, it's okay to tell the audience they can check by themselves just to make sure. But don't stand up there and say things as if they are 100% true based on your conviction when you know that there's a possibility that the facts out there do not match what you are saying on stage. Be honest. That is the first attribute of an ethical speaker. The second attribute of an ethical speaker is integrity. What do I mean by integrity? By integrity, I mean walking your talk. Example, if you are giving a presentation to a group of high school students or high performance executive or a group of leaders in a corporate organization, and for example to the high school kids you tell them about exercising to fight or reduce the likelihood of being obese, to the corporate executives you tell them to exercise to decrease their stress level, and those are things that you don't do yourself, that is not operating in a spirit of integrity. You have to walk your talk. If you tell people to do things or you tell people that you've done things, you must be sure that you could be in a position where you actually do those yourselves, or you should be in a position where you actually do those things yourself. If you give a talk about doing more exercise or riding your bicycle to work and you've never done it before, that is not operating in the spirit of integrity. First, be honest. Second, operate in the spirit of integrity, have integrity. And third, be respectful. Respect your audience. Every single member in your audience is equal to one another. Everybody in your audience is the same, regardless of their size, height, gender, position, role, salaries. It doesn't matter. Once you look at your audience member as a whole and you don't distinguish based on any criteria that you formulated, any notion that is preconceived, you basically respect the audience as it is, as they are. And the people in the audience feel when the speaker is not respectful to them. It always shows. Always remember, a good public speaker is an ethical speaker. And to be an ethical speaker, be honest, have integrity, and be respectful. I believe this has been helpful. Thank you so much for being with me today, and I'll see you again tomorrow.